What's up, guys? We have a truck fire, I-495. I don't know where it is exactly. I think it might be up there where I'm zooming in now. Well, that's at least I think where it is, but anyway, we got a firearm at Tyson's. I'm going to take it in a minute here, so you all should be seeing that shortly. There it is, right there. Right there, people. Looks like engine 440 go grab the hydrant for them. Yeah, they have all lanes blocked right now, so 295 shut down right now at the moment. Engine 444. Time 404, time 443 somewhere.
Just drive!
See, people, this is why we shouldn't be doing this on the interstate. The time 443. Engine 444. And then we got all this going on here. Engine 444 is there picking up right now, which is why I'm keep filming for now. The time 443. Looks like they have to drop a line to the hydrant. Should have a hydrant up here somewhere.